Hello, Jeff Helvin here with Ballen Brands, and today I want to help answer the question, should I upgrade to Elementor? So Elementor is a WordPress design builder. It's a plugin, and there is a free version and there's a pro version. And what we're able to do with Elementor is basically design a little more intuitive pages than what we can do with just the standard Gutenberg WordPress platform. So the best way to answer the question is, should you upgrade to Elementor is really focused on whether or not you're going to do marketing. Okay, so a website, of course, could be a great informational platform. We have, testimonials and maybe a portfolio of things that we've done, whether you're in real estate and offering, IDX and those types of things, or whether you're just a standard, legal business or professional business, services business that is looking to, just have somewhere that people can go to see more information about you. So as an example, we have the ballenbrands.com website. If you just have, you have your logo, you've got some navigation, a contact page, maybe some information about you, some testimonials, great. If that's all you're doing, and that serves the purpose for your audience, for your website, well, then you don't necessarily need to upgrade to Elementor. There's not any particular advantages to having that as part of your foundation. But if you're more of a marketer, and what I mean by that is we're talking lead capture, we're displaying things in a certain way, we're really trying to capture the user experience and get them engaged with our brands, well then Elementor might be a good idea for you. Let me give you an example of what that looks like. So if I go to like our real estate website page where we're featuring, displaying all the features of our actual offering that we have for real estate agents and building their websites, you'll see here some different things. We have obviously our themes up here, so nice kind of organized way to, have multiple columns. All right. Then we've got down here, we've got bullet points. Over here, we've got on the right-hand side, we've got, some, I can click on this for some sample sites, things like that. These are features that are built into Elementor that allow us to more properly or more easily display what we want them to see. Elementor has these great little side-by-side, two-column things where we can easily adjust. So that all looks good. Then we've got testimonials that we can pull in there. We can actually have those rotating as well if we have multiple testimonials on this particular page. We just wanted to feature this particular one in this case, but we're able to, have a nice rotation there. So you'll see a nice flow that goes basically from left to right, nice alternating things. And then we also have very easily just maybe you want to see more information about this. So I can click on that and get a larger view of those things. So again, these are all different elements that are built right into the actual Elementor builder, the page builder. So that's one of the things that we love about it. So you'll see in here, of course, again, I could have this as easily as rotating images. If we didn't want to overload the page, we don't want to do that, of course, in every block. Otherwise, you have a heavy load time. And then we have nice, easy like tables. It's got this little ribbon concept that we can add to it. This is all built in. This used to take a lot of custom HTML. You had to know how to do certain things. You basically have to call some professionals, right, to make this happen. But this is all actually built into the Elementor platform. So a lot easier, of course, to navigate, easier to use and interact with. Again, nice little two-column, two-row option here, which is, again, super easy. Being able to add a video, it's a nice little widget where you can just paste in the video URL from YouTube, and it puts it on here nice and big. Of course, everything is mobile responsive as well. So it's all built in. Again, if we're just doing navigation, updating the logo, maybe making some text changes, well then nothing really sophisticated that you have to get into. But in this case, we want things that are a little more interactive. This is another Elementor feature, okay, where I can have questions and then I can automatically drop those down. I don't need to know code in order to make those types of things happen. Got another example. If I go to, let's say, this page and I want to highlight the $4.95 for this particular service, then it's got a nice little feature here that just highlights the number. We've got, again, rotating testimonials that we can put on the page, rotating graphics up here. All of this stuff is built into the Elementor platform. Makes it very easy for us to, like I said, navigate, and easy for us to display, right, what we want the website visitors to see. So if you are questioning whether or not you should upgrade to Elementor, then absolutely you can give us a call. This is a great way to give you an idea, maybe an initial concept of whether it might be right for you. And also, I don't want to forget, Elementor has built-in pop-up lead capture forms as well. So again, nice, easy things. Let me give you an example of that. One of our customers here using Elementor, and really has great design pages and everything that's loaded up here. So let me just load this a little slow on my screen share. But you'll see here, how things kind of roll in. Nice big examples. We've got, easy layouts. Everything's clean and effective. They oftentimes have a little pop-up that pops right up on the page. So again, really easy here to kind of create these, learn, very little about actual coding or any kind of manipulation, right? And just being able to use an interface that helps you do this. So again, if you're using your website for marketing, for lead capture, really trying to enhance the user experience, then Elementor might be a really great option for you. So if you have any questions on that or anything else, you can give us a call or email us at team@ballenbrands.com.